So I really just wanted to hop on here and take these rollers out because I can't sleep like this. It's like 10 o'clock at night, but I gotta do what I can do while these kids are asleep. And I'm not going for a tight look. I just going for like some loose bounce, if that makes any sense. And I did a dry set because my hair has been flat ironed for some weeks now, and she was flat, honey. Looking like Laura Farquaad now. But that's okay. She's gonna come together. I'm not worried about it. Oh, that one fell nicely. And I'm using dry bar rollers, by the way. Velcro rollers, they're my favorite. I just want to say I have not had my hair this long, even though this may not be long to some people, in like 5 years or plus, 5 years plus, I don't know. And I learned that I used to be a salon owner. I didn't learn that, but I used to be a salon owner for like 5 years as well. And I cut my hair on and off, before that, but I was pretty dedicated to it. But I learned that because a lot of things were out of my control, God revealed to me that the only reason you're cutting your hair off is not because you like it short. It's because it's the only thing that you can control. And I was like, So after getting pregnant unexpectedly, praise God, my little miracle baby, I, decided to let my hair grow. And of course, prenatals are always that girl, especially when you want to grow your hair out, pregnant or not, just so you guys know. Lots of biotin in those vitamins. I started to grow my hair out, so here we are. And I grew it out a couple times, like in between. It grows pretty fast, but never this long. Like, this is a lot of hair for me, y'all. This is a lot of hair. Using the Design Me hairspray. Love it because it has 3 settings: low, medium, and like hard hold. So she's on low right now. I'm just combing this out to put it in a body wrap, y'all. That's all. That way it can be church ready tomorrow. Oh, I left a clip in there. Oops. Ooh, she sounds nappy. So she definitely has body yaddy yaddy. I'm an ear tucker. My grandma would kill me, but that's all right. And I'm loving it. It's giving old Hollywood. It's giving Jackie O, Let's see what she looks like with the middle part. Oh. Yes. Okay, hair. Hair is clowning. I just freshly colored her. And yeah. I'm loving it. Yep. Super cute. Love this right now. So I just did sections with the flat iron. I used the Keratin Complex flat iron. Yes, on 450. anyway. But I've been a hairstylist most of my life, so, I mean, she knows what she's doing. So we're just gonna wrap her, and she's gonna be nice and fluffy for in the morning. Let me know what you guys think, because I'm loving it.